Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech. Yes, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to solve a very important error which has been occurring for the past 2 weeks, I guess. Right now when I'm recording this video, the date is November 3. As you can see over here, the date is November 3 today. I guess this error has been occurring in the Textplus application for the past 2 weeks from October 20, I guess. It's from the latest update. So the error which has been occurring is this error. As you can see in my screen, you'll be able to successfully make an account. When trying to choose a Textplus phone number, you would receive this error. Okay, so this is actually a screenshot which I got from one of my audience, and I actually verified it with a few people too. I guess 5 to 6 people of my audience actually messaged me personally in Telegram and via mail that they were facing this issue. Usually, when you go choose a number, you would just choose your state. In my case, I chose New York, and I would just enter the country code, and boom, I'd get this page, and with the successful obtaining of the number. Okay, but from October 20, whenever you choose a number, you get this error and not that screenshot. There is going to be oops, unable to get a Textplus phone number, please try again. This is the Textplus application which I was talking about. This, as you can see, I do not have a number. Okay, when I click this, I previously had a number, and with the number only I created my WhatsApp account. This was my previous number in the Textplus application, but for this video I still have this number. I downloaded a clone of the Textplus application, and this is the Textplus application which I'm using. So in this video I'll be trying to obtain a new number, and I'll show you guys what are problems comes and how to solve those problems. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna select my state. Obviously it's going to be New York. My area code is obviously going to be 315. I'm gonna get a custom number. Let's wait and watch what is happening. Oops, something went wrong. Please check your connection and try again. Okay, so like I told before, I'm also getting this error. So what to do in order to solve it? Don't worry, I'll be explaining everything. But before moving on to the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to support me and get daily technological updates about the tech world. And in my channel I mainly focus on solving all the problems which you guys face. If you are facing any issues related to the technological stuffs, not only about the virtual number part, but if it's any problem, I do not mind. I got a few questions on asked, like how to fix the Google Lens not working problem, etc. I have posted a video on that. Like this, I have posted a lot of videos in my channel, all for the Protech Genius audience. So guys, if you have any suggestions and you are facing any problems, just feel free to leave it in the comment section, and I do not mind you guys personally messaging me for help. I would be glad to help you with all the problems you guys are facing. So guys, do not forget to leave your suggestions in the comment section. The important videos link such Textplus review, if you want to learn more about the Textplus application, or the Textplus comparisons with the market leaders such as this TextNow versus Textplus application. Everything is available in my channel, and I'll also leave this video's links in the description and the first comment. I'll pin the first comment. So guys, do not forget to go check out the comment section before quitting this video. Okay, so guys, now let's just not waste any more time, and I'll just straightly dive into the video in order to solve the problems, and I'll show you guys how to obtain a number 2. So guys, Now, do not skip any part of this video and watch this video until the end. First of all, what we have to do is that we would have to install the Textplus application and you would have to sign up an account. You would not face any problems when signing up or something. Only you'll face problems when choosing an account number. So guys, I'll not be showing you how to sign up an account in Textplus in this video, but if you are facing any issues in that steps too, please feel free to ask me for help. I mean, leave it in the comment section. I'd be glad to help you on how to solve the problems. I would even make a separate video for that if you guys want. Okay, the second step, what you have to do is that open any VPN which provides you with this specific area VPN. Okay, in my case I'm using this VPN and I'm gonna choose New York over here. I'm gonna scroll down. Okay, there are like 150 servers. I'm gonna choose some random server over here. Now let's just wait for my VPN to connect to New York City. Once it's connected, my area code is going to be 315. Okay, now the VPN has been connected. Just take a look at my IP address. If you just look up the IP address, it would show you New York's IP address, New York City's IP address. Okay, now after installing, you would have to go check on the features. All of these features work in the Textplus application. Okay, like choosing a number, unlimited free calling, unlimited free texting, group messaging, MMS, voicemail, favorite stickers, gifts, cutouts, games, chat activities, voice messages, iPad, iPod, iPhone. Everything is free. That is what they tell. Okay, so suddenly, not if it's not working for us, it means something is going on. Okay, yes, something is going on with the FBI and the virtual number providers. The thing is that the scams has been increasing a lot by a lot in the US and Canada. So what the FBI did is that they did the same thing with the text. What they did to the text now to the Textplus application. In the TextNotes latest update of 2023, guys, I hope you all have watched this video. If you have not yet watched this video, just go watch this video first. I'll leave this video's link in the description and the first comment. This is a very important video you all have to watch on what is going on with the US government. Right now, in order to reduce the cold calling and the scamming, the US government actually ordered these companies in order to restrict their, restrict people from other countries to mainly Asian countries to sign up. And what they're telling is that they want only the US and Canada citizens to use this, and all of the people outside these countries should be banned from obtaining a US or Canada number. This is the US government saying. Okay, because of this, the companies are forced to restrict our access to those features, even though it's all free features. But as always, we have a roundabout way, right? So you have to first of all close this application and remove from your recents like this. After removing from your recents, go back to Textplus once again. Let's wait for the application to load. After loading, now go choose a number. Choose an area code. My lucky area code is always going to be 315. I don't know why, but yeah, it's my lucky. Okay, once again I got this error. Okay, now let's just try again with another server. New York is in my favorites list right now. Okay, I'm gonna choose the server this time. If it's not working the second time too, all you have to do is that uninstall this application, or now let's just go try it once again. If it's not working, I'll show you the solution what you have to do. New York 315. Get a custom number. Activating. We'll just wait for the activating to finish. If it's finished and not yet working, okay. In my second time, if I do it, it's going to work. So I'll stop doing it, and I'll show you guys what to do if it's not going to work. All you have to do is that long press this application, click on this I button over here, and you would have to, you know, navigate to storage over here, and you would have to clear the data. By clicking on OK, all your data will be cleared. And after all your data has been cleared, it's the same as the new application. And you would have to navigate to Textplus and once again sign up for an account using the same VPN which you are going to use when choosing a number. In my case, it's going to be the same server. And just remember, your account making country and your number must come from the US, and both of these IP address must be same. Just imagine if you are using a New York VPN first time and the second time you are logging in from, let's say, Las Vegas. So they are obviously going to find that you are using a VPN. So we must stop it. In order to do that, we would have to open the Textplus application, and we would have to. I mean, I have not yet cleared it, so for me it's going to come. Uh, and once more thing, what I heard is that the accounts which has been made before October 20 of 2023 is still working fine. So there are no problems with the old users. Okay. So all you have to do is that choose the same server every time when making an account, choosing a number, and every time you log in, also make sure to use the same VPN, same server. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, just go click on thumbs up button below this video, and like I told before, do not forget to click on the thumbs up button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to subscribe to my channel. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. It's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Let's meet again in tomorrow's video. Until then, bye.